I'm out for my second walk of the day. I've got to do 10,000 steps every day in November, so it's a good challenge. Right, I have got my top 6, or stay tuned to the end because I'll give you 7. But really, my top natural remedies in order that I do most of them every day. One of them occasionally when I need it. Okay, my number 1 top remedy, natural remedy for keeping really well and boosting the immune system and managing stress and keeping energy levels up has got to be juicing. You know, it's got to be the most fun and delicious way to get nutrient dense fruit and veg into your diet. And it's wonderful, especially when you do a juice cleanse, which I've just finished doing. 3 days of just juicing. Absolutely fabulous. I love adding in herbal teas, and probably my favorite would be maybe licorice and cinnamon at the moment, or ginger or turmeric or peppermint, and I like a good cup of rooibos as well. Now, Epsom salt baths are wonderful, and you know, having a regular Epsom salt bath is a really good way to help cleanse and detoxify. Of course, the skin is one of the biggest organs in our body, so we've got to support the skin as part of that main route of elimination for excellent for cleansing and detoxing. Now, of course, motion is lotion, so gentle daily exercise, whether it's rebounding, walking, Tai Chi, yoga, but getting outside. I know we're absolutely blessed today with this amazing weather. It's actually not that cold, and it's such beautiful light. So it's a really easy day to get outside. But when the weather starts to get really nasty, we've still got to get in our daily exercise. Now, I tell you, I also love acupuncture. Acupuncture has been transformational for me because in my late 20s, I broke my neck, and acupuncture really saved me. You know, I came out of the hospital in a neck brace after having numbness down my left arm, and acupuncture, having that as part of my rehabilitation process, was really profound. And acupuncture really involves the sticking of needles into pressure points and turning them and twisting them and bringing energy to those points, which is really fantastic. Chinese medicine approach, and I highly recommend it for chronic pain or recovery or rehabilitation. It's very good. Now, I do love to supplement, and especially this time of the year, especially, you know, perimenopausal and menopausal ladies really need to be supplementing with magnesium, zinc. Adaptogens are fantastic. They really help support the cortisol, the adrenals, the thyroid, the energy production. And I really, really love and get some great results with essential oils. So if you haven't tried essential oils yet, let me know, because I do love to send out samples of these beautiful oils, and I use them for everything, for managing emotions, for feeling supported, for boosting the immune system, supporting the respiratory system, and just generally, you know, feeling really, really good. So there we go. Some of my favorite natural remedies. As you know, I'm a naturopathic nutritionist, and I love to do everything naturally. Hopefully that's been helpful for you, and have a great day, and we'll see you on in the next call.